Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So today we are at the BMW private collection event in Bratislava. Special thanks to BMW Slovakia for having us here today with this event. And in this event I want to show you this all new 2024 BMW X1, and this is the most powerful version, which is the M35i X-Drive, and in this beautiful red paint. I couldn't find this color of the paint in the car spec, so let me know in the comments if you know what is the name of this beautiful red color. So we are looking at the most performance M version of the X1. I think this is a great vehicle for the family, because it won't break the bank, because it's not too expensive, but it will still have a lot of performance and fun for the daily tasks. So this car has 2.0 liter, 300 horsepower, acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.4 seconds. And this is a really, we can say, dynamic car. Check it out also here from the side. I quite like how this car looks. It's boxy, but not too much. And also in the middle have quite a lot of space for daily tasks, for kids, stuff like that. So here are 20-inch wheels, check them out. Aluminum Y-spoke style, 872 M Sport tires. The car has all around M Sport package. And we have also the P0s tires. These are 245/40R20, the 19-inch being the base offer. Also M logo on the front fender. And we have also compound brake in gray high gloss. Also Shadowline package, so you can see that the mirrors are in gloss black. And also we have the privacy window in the back, and the window trim is also in gloss black. So from the rear we are looking at the X1. Also we have the M rear spoiler at the roof, and the car looks really dynamic, I would say, with the fins also on the roof. And let's check out at the lower section. We have the diffuser with 4 fins, but also we have 4 exhaust tips. Check it out, quite a remarkable design. And also on the right side we have M135i and X1 on the left side, and in the middle on the top we have the BMW logo. Let me know how you like the new design of the X1. If you want more coupe version of this car, it's also available as an X2, which is longer and has more like a coupe shape, but is on the same platform. So here you can see the M logo, 35i. Many people which I talked to, they told me they like actually this design of the new X1. So let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. The rear tires are 245/40R20. So these are the same as in the front. And let's take a look at the close-up of the tailpipes. These are in sort of dark chrome color, and 4 fins, diffuser is in gloss black. So once again the paint is really super bright. Yeah, very nice one. So let's check out the interior, and shortly we'll hop inside to check it out even more. So on the interior you can find also M Sport, like the steering wheel and also the seats. I find the seats really great looking. In this case you don't have the sunroof, but you can get it as well, panoramic sunroof. So let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. The interior here is M Alcantara Vegaza combination, black and contrast stitching in blue, Harman Kardon sound system, and yeah, overall really fresh design from the X1. You can also see 2 displays there with the latest infotainment system. So let's hop inside and let's explore more. Alright guys, so welcome in the new X1 M30i X-Drive. So this is the most powerful X1 and the most performance oriented one. And I really like, first I noticed these pedal shifters, minus and plus, looking really nice, quite long, also thin. So yeah, it also, they have like a grip, like a rubber grip I would say, on the backside, so they are not slippery, which is nice. And yeah, it's enhanced this interior. Also check out here the Alcantara and Vegaza sport seats. Really nice, these ones. And here we have the infotainment system, the latest BMW iDrive. Stitching in 3M colors, 12 o'clock marker here. Harman Kardon surround sound system. The M mirrors, really nice in here, and really the seats are super nice. 3 colors, M logo here as well. This is like perforation here, but with undertone in like a blue. Check this out. Check this out with this like sort of undercolor underneath the mesh. Really cool. And blue stitching, blue 3 color M colors on the seat belts. And in this one, you don't have panoramic sunroof, but I think it's possible to have. And this aluminum trim decor. Here in the middle, we have vents. Also there, they are sort of like integrated in the dashboard. And here we can see the charging for a smartphone. 2 cup holders, USB-C ports, and small storage space here in the middle. Gear lever, sort of a smaller one for the transmission. Auto start stop button, hazard lights, start stop. These are 360 cameras. Maybe you can activate, yes. So you can see here parking assist, also panorama view, and you can change the cameras. So here from the side it's modeling, so you can see the model of the car and surroundings. Really nice. You can see my modes. So you can have personal, sport, efficient, expressive, relax, and digital art like in the other BMWs. Here you can see the cruise control and controls also as here. On the right side of the steering wheel, it's thick but not too much, so really nice in terms of this. So on the top, yes, we don't have the sunroof in this particular car. Sun visors with the light. Grab handle here on the top. And yeah, overall nice feeling here in the X1. I think it's a car which many will actually like. Also check out the pedals. Nice aluminum with rubber on the middle. And we have the latest steering wheel, really nice one for sure. We have electric seats. I will just move the seat as I would sit, more or less in the car, sitting position. Okay, memory seats as well, 2 positions. We can now go and check out the back, how roomy it is there. Very bold configuration, this one in red. So let's check it out. So here in the back we have, I would say, good amount. Check it out. It's curved in the middle, it's like carved. So I have a, I would say, nice amount of the legroom. This is a solid around 10 centimeters depending how you sit, but they are pretty nice. And also here in the middle you have actually the armrest with 2 cup holders, adjustable. Of course, Isofix for child seat. Alcantara with the Veganza leather, so man-made leather, but nice quality to touch. Yeah, this is very nice. And then you can see here the front as well through this opening. Yeah, really actually roomy. Alright guys, so here in the back I have nice amount, check it out, without the sunroof, huge amount of headroom. I think this is solid, more than 10 centimeters for sure, so that's more than 5-6 inches, I would say, maybe even 7 inches, maybe like 14 centimeters. Quite a nice big amount, so quite a nice big amount. And here is a look at the front in terms of the X1. So yeah, really nice here at the sea. Check it out, beautiful atmosphere. And here are the doors, you can see the door pockets for a water bottle, Harman Kardon, and yeah, nice finish. Alright guys, so now let's open the boot and let's check out the boot space. So here in the X1 you have 540 liter boot, which is a really great amount in this segment. The rear seats you can split 40, 20, 40, and also some small storage space underneath the boot floor. Also here on the sides with the net and the storage compartment. So overall great practicality with the new X1. Also on the top you can put something light, like some clothes, jacket, this kind of stuff. And of course you can close the boot with touch of a button electrically. Alright guys, so this is a look at the X1 M35i. I think this is the best version of the X1 which you can get today, and I really like this design and also this spec in this red paint. But let me know your favorite paint in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.